This is Satish Kumar. I handle retail finance for Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu in Bajaj Auto Limited. Bajaj Auto has been producing three-wheeler autos for last 50 years, and we are the world number one passenger vehicle producer for three-wheeler departments. Give back to the society of what we have gained from them. We have tied up with various PSU banks, similarly to Indian Overseas Bank, and we provide help customers to avail loan from banks at a very low rate of interest and at very low margins, which helps in the customer earning more money and savings, increasing his savings. As a part, he also we also teach him the manners. We give them training and handling customers, and to be a prompt repair in the banks, so that he and his family has a very good standard of living. This facility is available in every Bajaj showroom, and across India we have bank tie-ups, not only Indian Overseas Bank but all other PSU banks also. We do have tie-up, and the customers can approach our dealers. We have around 175 dealers spread across India, and they can approach any dealer, and our dealer staff will be most happy to help the customers to avail a banking loan. Provided these loans are given by the banks, the discretion power of approving a loan lies with the banks. We will be only a facilitator to availing bank loans. They are charging around 11% diminishing rate. In fact, if we talk about other banks or other private companies, they provide on a flat percent, whereas PSU banks provide on a diminishing rate of interest scheme. So 11%, in terms of rupee calculation, it will come around less than a rupee for